Let me show you how to join Bitgase Airdrop mining event. So I believe in the link in the pinned comment of the video and it's on the Telegram page, and when you click on it you find yourself here. Create your account. So here you choose a username, you provide your full name, your email address, choose a password, confirm password, select country, and click on sign up. So an OTP will be sent to your provided email address. So you go to the inbox of that email you provided, copy it, and complete the registration. Alright, so once you have submitted the OTP, so you can download the app. Currently, you can download APK or download from Apple. It's not yet available on Google Play, or you can just continue on site. So let's go with the site. So you log in by providing your email address and password. Alright, so we've logged in for the first time, right? Start earning free digital asset with Bitgase. No investment required. Start now. And let's hit the claim button to claim Bitgase. Alright, so your user ID is private and meant for use only within the Bitgase ecosystem. Do not share it. If you have posted it anywhere, please delete it immediately. Protect your account details. Alright. So there is also bitgem, right? Aside Bitgase. Alright, so I've started mining. The two. One is the 24-hour mining session. The second is 12 hours. Unleashing Web3 potential with Bitgase, next gen blockchain innovation. Nice. Let's click on home. And then let's click on earn. So there is a daily early bird. Click on claim. Reward claimed. Alright, so it looks like they're giving USDT as well. So there are referral milestones here. You invite 5 people, you receive 250 Bitgase, 500 for 10 persons, 1,500 Bitgase for 20 referrals, 2,500 for 30 friends, and 5,000 for 50 invites. That's cool. Let's go over by clicking on social. Only completed task earned rewards. Claim without action may lead to penalties. Alright, Flying Eagle. How does this work? Let's click on it. Start. The connection is not secure. Can I claim? Alright, so I've claimed 20 bitgem. Another one is stake. So this is basically you viewing ads and getting rewarded in bitgem. So there's royalty quest, penguin chill quest, and so on and so forth. A lot of them. You can complete as many as you can. So let's click on my team here. So this is where all the people you have invited to the project, you will see a list of them, and you will use this button to ping them to come online and mine. So there is a quiz games here. So you do daily Morse code and quiz as well. So let's start with the quiz. So this is what you'll be doing every day. Come here, you answer a question. What is liquidity staking? Locking tokens forever, receiving tradable tokens for staked assets. What is liquidity staking? Burning staking reward. So the correct answer is B, right? And for that you will receive 100 bitgem. Then there is a Morse code. We can start. I think we did something like this in what's that project again? One tap to earn Telegram. I don't even want to remember the name, right? So it's the same Morse code that you have here. Let's hit the submit button, and we're correct, and rewards been granted. So you do this every day, right? I will be sharing that. I'll remember to do that. So on the invite button here, you can copy your link and share with your guys. Let them come aboard and join. Let them come aboard and start earning Bitgase. So you earn 10% for each referral, each person you bring to the project. So let's click on the assets here. So it says I have 12 Bitgase, 415 bitgem, and 0.01 USDT rewards. So this project is kind of like Satoshi app project that we did. You know, we earned some BTC on the project while we were mining, and then it still later went on to launch. So we are earning Bitgase, bitgem, and USDT on this one for now, right? Is the USDT withdrawable? Let's click on withdraw. All right. It's not responding. Don't know if it's because of the threshold and stuff. So here is the Bitgase official Twitter page. Game-changing platform that is transforming the world. So 3 days ago, the testnet claim system is coming soon, letting users claim test tokens and access full on-chain futures. This is a major step toward mainnet. Alright. So this is basically it about Bitgase. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.